National Covers is America's #1 choice for boat covers and bimini tops. For over 25 years, National Covers has offered superior products at competitive prices, all backed by outstanding customer service. Our marine-grade boat covers feature sewn-in shock cord for a snug fit and include 12 heavy-duty cover straps, as well as stuff sack for storage when not in use. Before installing the cover on your boat, examine it for any sharp points that may potentially puncture the fabric. Cover these with an extra cloth or foam pad if necessary. Locate the bow end of your cover with the sewn-in label that says front. Place the bow end of the rolled cover on or near the bow of your boat and unroll towards the stern or back, positioning it down the center of the boat as you unroll. Adjust the cover fit by pulling cover tight to eliminate sagging areas. On a properly fit cover, the side should come down past the rub rail of your boat and be above the trailer. Run the XT straps through the sewn-in loops that are located at 2 feet intervals along the cover seam. Fasten XT straps along the trailer frame and tighten straps for a secure fit. National Covers, America's trusted cover source for over 25 years.